Y'all don't understand how fucking giddy we are right now on these kayak. Well, kayak. What is it? It's actually a tandem because it's two people. But look at this. This is so relaxing. We are still out here, but we are in different territory now. We are out here with the boats and the jet skis, and the waves got a little rough on us. Oh! Well, yeah, we're still on here. How do you feel, Emily? We're kind of over this shit now, but we're on our home stretch. We almost there. We are still out here. We're kind of over it at this point. It was fun though.